Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 18th of December. And first of all, national news. Prime Minister and Home Minister paid tributes to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel on his death anniversary. Two bills related to One Nation, One Election listed for introduction in Lok Sabha tomorrow. Home Minister Amit Shah presented President's color to Chhattisgarh Police appealed Maoists to give up arms. NCERT textbooks to cost less from 2025, new books for classes 9 to 12th by 2026. Dharmendra Pradhan. Now, international news. Canada. PM Trudeau faced fresh calls for resignation. Bangladesh High Court cleared path to restore caretaker government system. Sri Lanka Jagat Vikramaratne elected as new Speaker of Parliament. Over 8.8 lakh displaced since latest escalation of hostilities in Syria. UN. Canada's Finance Minister and Deputy PM Chrystia Freeland resign. Now some sports news. Ria Shiris Thatte clinched gold medal in women's 25-meter pistol final of 67th National Shooting Championship competitions. Rohan Jaitley re-elected as DDCA president. India versus Australia third test. It's very good to see lower order scoring runs. KL Rahul. MCA announced 80 lakh bonus to victorious Mumbai squad. Now news related to business. SBI loan disbursements in Telangana raised past 10,000 crore in current fiscal. Iron and steel import fall 28% in November amid MSME concerns over port blockades. Adani Group announced merger of Sanghi Industries and Penna Cement with Ambuja Cements. India planned up to 25% temporary tax to curb cheap Chinese steel imports. And that's all in news. Thank you.